Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an F02 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it? Especially because if you have an F02 error, you might also have your, see that it's full of water. Your washing machine might be full of water. And that's because the F02 error is a drain error. It's a failure to drain properly error. So what's going to happen is when it's time to drain, the washing machine tries to drain. If after a certain amount of time it hasn't drained, it will give you this error. So all we need to do to get rid of this error is one of the easier ones to fix, because we just need to figure out why is our washing machine not draining. And that's going to be 95% of the time one of two things causing it. The number one thing is going to be coming in behind. It's going to be the drain hose. So any issues with the drain hose. So if our drain hose is kinked or bent or pinched or anything like that, that doesn't let water or clogged, anything that doesn't let water flow through it could be the issue. Like for example, if you install your washing machine and you push it up too hard against the wall, and you might end up smashing or pinching that hose against the wall or against something, you know, or bending it in a weird way. Water can't get through. Also, where you can see my drain is about this high. Here's my washing machine. So if you're using any kind of hose extension or anything like that, because the pump pumps the water up and out, and it can only pump it so high. So if it's pumping it way up in the air, it might just be too much work for the pump. Also, where it goes into the drain, it needs to be in there snugly, but it shouldn't be too far in there. It shouldn't be sealed off with tape or anything like that doesn't allow air to get in. So anyways, that's number one is the drain hose, making sure everything's good there. The second thing is the actual drain pump. So depending on your model, it can be a little bit different, but your drain pump's going to be down at the bottom in something like this. You just open that up. I'm not going to do it right now because water will come out, but if you open it up, you'll see the turbines that spin to pump the water out. And you just want to make sure there's nothing physically there, like, you know, around like a vacuum cleaner or something where stuff can get wound up around it, or like, you know, a button or something like that could have gotten in there and jammed, and just that's preventing this pump from turning properly. So if you're able to check both those things, you should be able to get your washing machine draining again, get rid of this error. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.